DJ. Presentation of international.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, good people. And welcome to the quarter-final matches of the ongoing 21st edition of the African Women's Volleyball Cup of Nations that has been ongoing in the nation's capital, Yaoundé. Beautiful moments we've been living here since the 14th of August. And here we are today, the 22nd of August, 2023. And we are into the first quarter-final game this afternoon at the Yaoundé Multipurpose Sports Complex, pitting the Republic of Uganda as against the Republic of Egypt. My dear brother, Aman Ambassa, good afternoon, bonjour et bienvenue.
Merci mon cher Walter Wilson. Bon après-midi aux nombreux téléspectateurs de la CRTV Sport and Entertainment dans le cadre de ces quarts de finale qui interviennent donc au lendemain de cette cérémonie de vernissage ici au Palais Polyvalent des Sports de Yaoundé où la Confédération africaine de volleyball a bien sûr décerné au Cameroun la meilleure organisation des compétitions depuis 1976. C'était la toute première édition des championnats d'Afrique de volleyball dames. Et souvenez-vous, en 1976, c'est cette équipe égyptienne qui avait justement remporté la toute première édition à la maison. Et elle sera donc face à une équipe ougandaise qui a un cahier totalement vierge. Cet après-midi au Palais Polyvalent des Sports de Yaoundé, l'Égypte qui à 3 reprises est montée sur le podium, on l'a dit, 1976, 89 et 2003 du côté du Kenya. Qu'en sera-t-il cet après-midi de toutes les façons? On va le dire mon cher Walter, qu'on va vivre une très belle rencontre.
Of course, looking forward to be a great afternoon out here of African women's volleyball. Egypt on top of the continent. They've won the title, like you said, 3 times. And of course, 6 times they have been to the finals. And this afternoon, here they are again. And the referees, everything is set for this first quarterfinal game as we're going to have the first serve certainly is going to come from a team that will be determined by the referee out here. And the main referee is a lady from the Federal Republic of Nigeria that is handling this game. We've had the introduction of the players, but we shall bring them to you a lot more and more as we bring you these live commentaries once more on the airwaves of the CRTV Sports and Entertainment Channel. So, we say good afternoon, Aman Ambassa, to all our viewers and listeners across the Republic of Cameroon, across the African continent, across the world, because we'll be having rave reviews of the performance of CRTV Sports and Entertainment across the world.
Il faut dire que c'est donc le premier quart de finale que les téléspectateurs vivent en ce moment. On en aura 4 au total. D'abord, ce match entre l'Égypte et l'Ouganda avec ce top départ qui est donc donné ici au Palais Polyvalent des Sports de Yaoundé. Et le premier service, mon cher Walter.
Of course, the first service there by Lady Emam Dana from the Pharaohs of Egypt. And there they go and pick up the very first point out here. Egypt is already in the pole position with 1 point already, following their first serve against Uganda. The team of coach Tony Peter Laconi, who is promising to come back into this game. Talking about Uganda, my dear Aman Ambassa. This is the second time they are participating at the AFCON.
Oui.
I mean, the first time was in 2007 in Kenya, and at that time they ended in the 9th position. But since the coming of the COVID-19, since 2019, women's volleyball have been very slow, almost inexistent in Uganda. But this time around, they have bounced back. They played the eliminatories, and here they are at the final phase of the AFCON, and even qualified to the quarterfinals.
Il faut dire que les services de Emam Dana Dossard, numéro 18 de la sélection égyptienne, mettent à mal cette équipe ougandaise pour l'instant avec 2 points. Et on peut déjà, 3e point d'ailleurs, et on peut déjà constater qu'au niveau de l'organisation de l'équipe ougandaise, on essaye de revoir la stratégie au niveau de la réception, parce que là également, réception et blocage, on constate qu'il y a déjà des petites failles.
Of course, you can see there, one more point to the Egyptian as that spike from the Ugandans went out of the Teraflex, went out of target, and gave an extra point to the Egyptian women's national team. The Pharaohs of volleyball women, all the way from Cairo, all the way from Alexandria. These girls on the banks of the River Nile. There they go. Beautiful block there from the libero of
La passe.
right. Egypt with the red t-shirt. And the beautiful block there from the libero. Uganda still in control. And the libero for Egypt will fight back. And of course, ball goes out of the Teraflex, touched by the Ugandan girl. And it gives Egypt their full point.
Bien évidemment, et c'est Beto qui ira donc au service dans quelques instants. Le temps pour nous de rappeler les autres quarts de finale. Le Kenya sera face au Nigeria. L'Égypte joue en ce moment face à l'Ouganda. Et puis le Rwanda contre l'Algérie. Mais attention, à 18 h, match à ne surtout pas manquer entre le Cameroun et le Maroc.
Of course, Cameroon of coach Peter Nononbroich all the way from Germany gets back onto the Teraflex tonight against Morocco. And of course, we've been finding out Morocco has not been very performant in the international scene in recent years. So let's see what are the experience of the indomitable Lionesses of volleyball will come to the fore. Do not forget, we are the current champion. Oh, Cameroon is the current champion. They have won the title 3 times. They have been in top international competitions, to the Olympics and to other international competitions. So the team of coach Lavoisier Yende, they have some experience as well.
Vous le savez, il est passé par le Congo, le Gabon également. Il est passé par les États-Unis. Lavoisier Yende, il a d'ailleurs été secrétaire général de la Fédération camerounaise de volleyball à un moment donné, avant de repartir donc pour l'encadrement technique. Ce n'est pas la première fois, donc c'est un habitué. C'est une équipe camerounaise qui compte monter en puissance, si on l'espère. De toutes les façons, mon cher Walter, on va vivre ce service de la sélection ougandaise, non sans rappeler à nos téléspectateurs que le vainqueur de ce match Égypte-Ouganda affrontera le vainqueur du match Algérie-Rwanda.
All right, so we're looking forward to that, and that game is going to come immediately after this. That will be at 4 p.m. No, at 2 p.m. At 2 p.m. All right, so we're building up to that. We're building up to that, and there's a serve there that gives Uganda an extra point because the Egyptian girl missed it, and that is from Akelo Scholastica, middle blocker there, giving an extra point to Uganda, the girls from Kampala. There you can see Akelo Scholastica, middle blocker, Donny JC, number 13. She takes the serve. The Egyptians go to the air and it's spiked there. Beautifully blocked by the girls from Kampala. What did they try to lob? They wouldn't work out as the red shirt's coming again, and the balloon goes out of target for 4 points as against 6 for Egypt.
Oui, c'est une sacrée remontée puisque vous le savez, cette équipe menée au départ à 4-1 et cette fois-ci se retrouve à 1 point d'écart avec la sélection égyptienne. Vous comprenez qu'elle gagne en confiance, les Ougandaises. Attention à cette balle de 6 et ça passe. Elles reviennent à hauteur des Égyptiens. Je vous le disais tout à l'heure que ce match sera très très intense. Attention à la surprise.
It will be fought right up to the last minute. You can hear those in the sidelines clapping for their girls onto the Teraflex. I mean, the black girls from Kampala, their own beautiful block there from the Ugandans. They go to the air for a splash. And of course, the libero for Egypt is on. They go to the air, and it goes out of target. Uganda
qui passe devant.
They got 7 points already as against 6 for Egypt. The team of coach Lakoni Tony Peter, for once, they are on the lead. Ambassa, would they continue in that lead?
On se régale plutôt bien au Palais des Sports ici. Et l'Égypte qui revient donc à hauteur de cette équipe ougandaise, il faut le dire, qui a remporté son premier set lors de la première journée en battant le Lesotho 3-7, son premier match, pardon, en battant le Lesotho 3-7 à 0, 25-10, 25-5 et 25-10 lors de la deuxième journée. Les Égyptiennes qui empochent le 8e point.
No, rather Uganda.
Uganda,
Yeah.
Uganda plutôt.
All right.
Justement, ces Ougandaises s'imposaient devant le Maroc au tie-break, 3-7 à 2. Donc, c'est une équipe qui a un potentiel et on va suivre le service.
From June to Shea Merewe.
Oui,
And they go.
c'est pas terminé.
Intensive
Au
game
filet.
there. There they go. The red shirts from the River Nile. And they make a point there.
C'est un mano à mano.
Man up, I mean, ping pong. You give me one, I give you another one.
Yes.
All right. You give me a jibe, I reply immediately.
Maya au service pour la sélection égyptienne.
All right.
Est-ce que ça sera un service flottant? Attention,
There was a
au
mix-up
niveau
there
du blocage.
from the Ugandan backyard.
Oui. Ça s'anime véritablement.
Right. Uganda is pushing Egypt to the wall.
Et les questions se posent déjà. Qui va remporter ce premier set, mon cher Walter?
We're looking forward to that. You and I were here with our millions of viewers across the world. And they get a point there. You can say the other day I was talking to my good friend Evariste Yega that these girls from Kampala, they must use, this is a huge morphology. You can see those women from Kampala, they look bigger than the girls from the River Nile. And they need to put that energy into the game, Amambasa.
Evariste, à qui on souhaite prompt rétablissement d'ailleurs.
All right. The guy is down with some malaria bout. Hello, Evariste Yenga, get out of that malaria bout.
Ça se joue, ça se dispute pour le premier set qui annonce la suite qui ne sera pas du tout facile
All right.
pour ces deux équipes. Certes, sur le papier, on voit beaucoup plus l'Égypte
They got it.
avec ses 3 titres déjà remportés, on l'a dit, 1976, 89 et 2003.
All right.
C'est une équipe assez expérimentée où on retrouve des joueuses suffisamment bien outillées. Mais attention à cette équipe ougandaise qui montre les muscles ici au Palais Polyvalent des Sports de Yaoundé. Et c'est pas terminé.
That's
On
it.
réussit.
Beautiful action there.
Oui.
Beautiful intention, but it went out of target from the girls from Kampala. As we had that a smash there from a lady, Alunga Jennifer, middle blocker. And of course, coach Emad Nawa calls, rather, coach Lakoni Tony Peter calls for
Qui a demandé un temps mort.
yeah, to reorganize her charge, to reorganize his charges. Tell the girls you can make it. Don't allow Egypt to widen the gap with the points. Interesting. I mean, really action-packed quarterfinal we're living here. Uganda, I mean, really engaging Egypt, pushing them to the wall in this game. They're not giving the Egyptian girls any breathing space. I mean, letting the Egyptians come out of their cocoon and come out of themselves and play volleyball from the African continent. And what we're seeing so far, my dear Alma Ambassa, beautiful volleyball from the African continent.
Tout à fait. Ahmed Nada au service et la réception attendue du côté de l'Ouganda.
There was a mix-up there. There was a mix-up there. They need to communicate within themselves because they're giving loose points to the Egyptians for no good reason.
Et c'est la raison pour laquelle Tony Peter a pris le temps mort tout à l'heure, parce qu'à un moment donné, il ne comprenait plus pourquoi est-ce que ces joueuses n'arrivaient plus à non seulement bien réceptionner, mais aussi remettre en termes de ce match
Right. Beautiful
la
there.
balle dans le camp égyptien pour marquer des points, mais hélas, l'Égypte qui revient en force
Right, is
et
it?
qui passe devant désormais à 14.
And that is the power of these girls from the banks of the River Nile. They got energy, they got peace. I mean, they're athletic onto the air. I mean, like we kept saying last week, when they go to the air, they come back on earth with more points.
Attention à ces services de Nada Ahmed Les services qui mettent à chaque fois mal la sélection ougandaise qui essaie donc de s'organiser la passe parce que là on avait déjà dépassé, on avait déjà atteint les 3 touches de balle.
You can see the blockers there of Egypt, very vigilant.
Ah oui,
And of
en
course,
puissance.
they are very smart. You could see the attackers, they know how to turn around. The Egyptians, they got a good management of the Terraflex. I mean, they are athletic, they are pacey, they are faster, and they anticipate the game.
Cette équipe ougandaise nous a pourtant fait rêver en remontant au niveau du score, du tableau.
All right, you see that?
Mais hélas, on est parti de 4-1 à 6-6, 7-7, 8-8,
Now they're widening the gap already.
9-9.
Now we have 16 for Egypt and 9 for Uganda. And if Egypt gets into the rank of 20, it becomes very difficult. Beautiful lob there, but not well executed. And so they lost it.
Elles montent en puissance,
All right.
les Égyptiennes.
They have realized that they don't have to give any chance to the Ugandans. They have to engage them, put a lot of pressure on them, and that's what the team of coach Emad Nawar is doing. You could see him on the screen there, dishing a lot of instructions to his girls to make sure they put Uganda on the ground.
Et Peter Tony qui essaie donc de réorganiser ses joueuses parce que là, l'écart se creuse progressivement et on va suivre quelques mots si la technique le permet.
All right.
Allez, le 6 majeur de part et d'autre qui peut repartir. Et là, au filet, ça passe pour l'Égypte.
They have to anticipate. The Ugandans have to anticipate. You don't allow the Egyptian attackers to come in front of you and give a strike when the 3 attackers of Uganda is there. They have to anticipate the game.
L'Égypte qui a 7 points de gagner le 7. Attention.
Beautiful lob there.
L'Ouganda qui remonte.
All right.
Et il n'est pas du tout content.
Of course, because coach Emad Nawar is surprised with that lob. I mean, certainly asking himself, where was the libero? Where were the attackers and the blockers there? Why not the setters? Beautiful. As Alinga Scovia there and Lady Akelo Scholastica with Amura Yunus taking the serve there. The Egyptians again, be careful. Ball still in control. The libero for Egypt is on. They go to the air. And of course,
elle n'avait aucune chance. Elle n'avait aucune chance.
These girls from the River Nile, Amanambasa, they got energy, they got pace. They read the game really fast ahead of their opponents.
Les Égyptiennes ont compris qu'il va falloir rapidement expédier ce set.
You could see the good block there from their attackers, you know. Now they had to force them to play off guard.
Elles ont compris qu'il y avait du répondant en face. Et là, il fallait passer par d'autres stratégies.
Ouais.
Le coach Nawal l'a compris également.
Dana Abdel Magid, they're going to take the serve. Dana Abdel Magid for Egypt, she takes the serve. A retort there from the Ugandans. They come into the air.
Le blocage qui finit par payer pour l'Égypte.
That is it. The Egypt got 20 points as against 11 now for Uganda. They have to keep pushing it. As Alunga Scovia, the receiver, goes for the serve. Scovia there puts the libero on her knees. And of course, beautiful block there. That is how they should anticipate the game. That's how they should read
C'est le souhait de Tony Peter.
All right.
Savoir anticiper. La preuve, l'Ouganda vient de glaner un autre point précieux, certes on peut le dire.
But Egypt is far ahead with 7.
Ouais.
Beautiful block there.
Bien sûr, un bon
Beautiful.
blocage.
Oh my Jesus. They have to be careful with the net. Egypt got 21 points as against 13 for Uganda.
La réception, la passe.
Be careful. Beautiful retort there from the Ugandans. The libero for Egypt is on. They go to the air with energy. And of course get a point there.
C'était en puissance, mon cher Walter.
There are those guys, those ladies from the banks of the river now, they got energy in the air. They look slim, but be careful with their limbs. Don't go closer to them for a slap. Aman Basa. You can see the blocker there, very energetic. And of course, you see, when they go to the air,
Elle ne laisse aucune chance.
they don't, I mean, if you they can take away your fingers.
Elle aurait pu anticiper, mais là, l'Égyptienne a vu qu'il y avait justement l'espace où elle pouvait se matcher et c'est passé.
All right.
Service,
Mito.
réception. Le blocage qui finalement donne le point
Say,
à l'Égypte.
you say the Egyptians, they are rampant, they are everywhere, they anticipate, they are good at blocking, they are good at attacking, they read ahead of the game.
Est-ce le dernier service pour ce set?
Maybe that could give the first set to Egypt.
Tony Peter obligé de procéder à un remplacement.
All right. As Mito goes for the set there, would he give them a 25 points? And of course, Egypt, they get it with so much ease. They know how to do
Et
it.
c'est terminé pour ce premier set. 25-13,
All right.
mon cher Walter. Le deuxième set sera entamé dans quelques minutes seulement. Pour être plus précis, dans 3 minutes.
All right. So first set, 25 for Egypt, as against 13. As against 13 for Uganda. We hope that Coach Lakuni, Tony Pira, will re-energize his girls to come back a lot more purposeful.
Tout à l'heure, on parlait des autres confrontations.
Right.
Ne pas oublier le match qui opposera donc le Kenya au Nigeria. Sans oublier Cameroun-Maroc.
And of course, the classification games for the teams that have already been eliminated. Mali versus Lesotho ongoing at the Fandina Gymnasium. And the 3 sets for Mali and 0 for Lesotho.
Et le temps pour nous de rappeler aussi le parcours de ces deux quarts de finalistes. L'Égypte qui a ouvert le bal devant l'Algérie, 3-7-0.
Right.
25-18, 25-13, 25-22. C'était lors de la première journée, on l'a dit. Deuxième journée, il faut rappeler ici que l'Égypte va se retrouver. L'Égypte était face au Mali, 3-7-0 également. 25-10, 25-9 et 25-6 en faveur des filles de l'entraîneur de cette formation qui n'est autre que Nawal. Lors de la troisième journée, l'Égypte a également affronté la quatrième, j'allais dire, le Nigeria. Et en s'imposant 3-7-0 aussi, 14-25, 17-25 et 20-25.
Right.
Et cette même formation égyptienne s'est imposée face au Burundi, 3-7-0. Et là, on avait, mon cher Walter, 2-25, puisque c'est le Burundi qui recevait, 4-25 et puis 13-25. En faveur de ces Égyptiennes, alors que l'Ouganda s'imposait lors de la première journée 3-7-0 devant le Lesotho, 25-10, 25-5 et 25-10 une fois de plus. La deuxième journée, l'Ouganda était face au Maroc. Souvenez-vous ici au Palais Polyvalent des Sports, un match qui s'est achevé au tie-break 3-7-2.
All right.
25-15, 26-28, 17-25, 25-16, 15-11. Et puis lors de la troisième journée, l'Ouganda était face au Kenya. L'Ouganda a perdu. C'est donc reparti pour le deuxième set et ce service de la joueuse Oma Naomi. Et le premier point marqué par l'Ouganda.
There we go. A serve there from Lady Oma Naomi. Set up for, and of course they lose it. An equalizer out there from Egypt in the second set. That's how it started in the first set. It was a ping pong. One for you, one for me.
Yes.
But before we realized, the Egyptians started making the difference. And that's how they are like a diesel engine in their game.
Et c'est ça qui
They
fait.
take off progressively, slowly, and before you realize they are exploding, there's no way to hold them back.
Vous savez, au niveau de ces deux équipes, vous faites bien de le signifier, dire vous marquez, je marque. Ça permet aux téléspectateurs, mais aussi aux spectateurs qui ont effectué le déplacement, de vivre cette compétition internationale avec beaucoup plus de passion. Parce que lorsqu'il y a échange, ça suscite un suspense en une autre pareille.
Right.
On se demande bien laquelle de ces deux sélections va pouvoir remporter le point.
And there you go with that Mito there. In that spike that gives Egypt an extra point. I mean, Mito loses herself.
Et le point qui revient à l'Ouganda.
3 each way. As the Egyptian officials can look on there.
Ben, vous savez, seul son regard dit tout. Parce que là, il se posait pas mal de questions sur ce service de Mito.
And then the win in that spike. 4 for Egypt as against 3 for Uganda. First quarter final of the ongoing 21st edition of the African Women's Volleyball Cup of Nations, hosted in the Republic of Cameroon.
Attention.
Beautiful play there.
Très bonne réception. Et le blocage qui donne le point.
And that is where they always
Allez,
feel to come back. When they get a game, they open their backyard to lose. And the long limbs from Cairo will just block it. And the rest of the Ugandan team will be caught pants down.
Ça joue serré.
Right.
Service pour l'Ouganda. Un service normal, loin d'être flottant.
And they pick another point there. To see how smart they play. They anticipate the game. They know what to do at a particular time.
Ahmed Nada.
I name Baba Z Catherine. Receiver.
Vous avez remarqué, mon cher Walter, que les Égyptiennes ont opté pour des courtes passes qui permettent justement soit à Nada, Essa ou encore Ahmed de monter au filet et de se matcher.
Right.
Et voilà un autre point.
They get it with so much ease. You know,
les Ougandaises étaient un tout petit peu attentistes sur ce service.
They assumed they was going to go out of the Taraflex.
Oui.
They don't know how smart the Egyptians are.
La défense
That's
ne
good.
parvient pas.
6 points for Uganda, 8 for Egypt. We're into the second set. In the first set, the Egyptians carried it back to Cairo, 25-13. They are already in the pole position in this second set. As usual, they will go to the air and come out on earth with one more point.
Beto qui laisse sa place à Nada pour le service. Et c'est un autre point.
That is it.
L'écart se creuse progressivement, mon cher.
And you could see, Armand, the Egyptians have noted that the moment the ball gets into the air, the center circle for Uganda is empty.
Yes.
And that's where they will place their spiker.
C'est là où elles ont choisi de jouer, effectivement, parce qu'à un moment donné, au niveau du milieu ougandais, et vous voyez comme c'est le cas en ce moment, elles réussissent toujours. On ne sait pas quel dispositif Tony Peter a finalement opté, parce que à chaque fois et au même endroit, les Égyptiennes marquent des points.
That is it. They have a total grasp of the Taraflex, and they manage the court with so much ease. We hope that the timeout called by coach
Tony Peter, qui a demandé le temps mort.
Will try to reorganize his girls, let them know that
we've made one on a very good block. That's what we want, and we have to keep doing that. Yeah. Now pass the ball nicely, John. A bit faster, and then you get there. You're hitting the ball flat like this. You're not about to bring it down. Jump, swing, and do the right technique. Why are you changing what you have to do?
Ladies,
the walk right there.
Je pense qu'il a suffisamment été clair.
We hope it's going to be reflected on the Taraflex. And the Egyptians come back and get 1 point again in that serve. They failed to anticipate, and it fell on the Taraflex for 12 points for Egypt and 6 for Uganda.
Est-ce qu'elles vont nous refaire le coup du premier set en remontant les 6 points? Pourquoi pas? Elles en sont capables, les Ougandaises.
But they are losing a lot of balls. They are just overwhelmed.
Il faut y croire.
They are just overwhelmed by the Egyptian experience. And it tells you, like we'll be talking to Egyptian officials out here, Ambassa, volleyball is the second most popular sport in Egypt. And a lot of parents encourage their children to get into volleyball.
Après le football.
After football, of course. Football is just everywhere across the world. Beautiful stop
Et
there
le
from...
blocage qui finit par payer pour les Ougandaises. Et là, Emma Naomi qui va repartir au service pour tenter une fois de plus de réduire l'écart. Désormais à 4 points.
They lost it.
Vous avez parlé tout à l'heure, mon cher Walter, du volleyball comme étant la deuxième discipline sportive la plus populaire du côté de l'Égypte. Vous savez, au Cameroun, c'est pratiquement la même chose.
Of course.
Après le football, à un moment donné, c'était le handball.
Yeah.
Mais le volley, avec les 3 dernières éditions de Coupe d'Afrique des Nations remportées par le Cameroun, vous vous rappelez en 2017,
Here in Yaoundé.
ici au Cameroun, au Palais Polyvalent des Sports de Yaoundé, 2019 du côté de l'Égypte,
All right.
et puis 2021 à Kigali au Rwanda.
All right.
Le volleyball camerounais a gagné au niveau du ranking mondial. Donc, la preuve, et on espère aussi que ce soir, les Lions feront vibrer ce Palais Polyvalent des Sports de Yaoundé
We look forward to
pour une
that.
place en demi-finale.
We got a huge game against Morocco tonight, beginning 6 p.m. out here. And so we invite our viewers, our listeners, you can come to the Yaoundé Multipurpose Sports Complex and come and enjoy beautiful volleyball game.
Eh oui,
Beautiful lob there from Lady Ainem Babazi, Catherine receiver.
la joie
Beautiful lob there.
des autres coéquipières.
Number 6 out. Number 19.
All right. Mohamed Mamdou Maya giving up her place to another colleague.
Je vous le disais tout à l'heure, il faut y croire. Les Ougandaises sont à 3 points
All right. We have to.
de l'Égypte.
My worry is that they don't anticipate the game against Egypt. The Egyptians are a lot more
Ben, vous
smarter.
avez raison, mais de temps en temps aussi, vous savez, le sport est fait des erreurs.
All right.
Les erreurs que l'adversaire corrige.
That is it. There they go. The black girls from Kampala. Beautiful block there from the Egyptians to make it 16 points as against 11.
L'intention était bonne côté ougandais parce
Ouais.
qu'en fait, elle a prévoyé un match, mais bon, ce n'est pas passé.
Of course, the attackers of Egypt, they are extremely vigilant.
Il ne faut surtout pas qu'elle baisse les bras.
That is it. That's how they should play. Very energetic. I mean, with a lot of energy, very pacey. They have to anticipate the game. They have to take it towards the Egyptians.
Alors,
That's
Substitution.
est-ce qu'elle va pouvoir revenir?
Lady Alunga Jennifer,
Alunga Jennifer qui sort
middle blocker.
en boitillant un tout petit peu.
This is the first time we see one of the ladies really walk out of the courts like that. It means it's really difficult for Jennifer Alunga, middle blocker for Uganda. We hope that it is not really out of hand. That would be a serious handicap to the Ugandan team.
En échangeant avec elle lors de la 3e journée Kenya-Ouganda, je pense qu'elle avait déjà, si vous constatez au niveau de son pied droit, un premier mal, mais là, cette fois-ci, c'est l'autre pied. On espère qu'elle va pouvoir se remettre sur pied. Parce que vous le savez, Alunga Jennifer joue un rôle primordial au sein de la sélection ougandaise qui essaye ici. Attention, blocage, et c'est un point
17 points for Egypt, 11 for
attribué
Uganda.
à l'Égypte.
All right. Aya is there
Ahmed Aya.
with jersey number 17. You can see the block there, but it went out of the Taraflex. As Uganda fights back. Beautiful.
C'est bon pour le moral.
Very important. 5 points gap there.
Et au service,
Touchemere.
Touchemere.
June. She lost it. As Dana and the rest look on the Imam. As well as the libero, Essa Nada.
L'Égypte. Service, réception, sans problème. Et le point.
Beautiful one there for Uganda. They have reached point number 13 already. That's already an improvement in their first set.
J'ai aperçu là la joueuse Bakoussi Mira, Supernatural, la dossard numéro 3 de cette sélection ougandaise.
All right. As they have climbed up to 14 points for Uganda as against 18 for Egypt.
Bonne réception. Attention.
You can see the ease with which the Egyptian attackers
Une balle très très vicieuse quand même.
just blocked it and gave an extra point to Cairo. The save there. Poorly done. Takes Uganda to 15th.
Service manqué pour l'Égypte.
As against 9 for Egypt.
Number 4 out. Number 30 Spokuka.
Alors, avoir ce service, mon cher Walter, ça rejoint ce que disait Tony Peter lors de la conférence de presse à l'issue de la défaite, au terme de la défaite face au Rwanda. C'était lors de la 4e journée, toujours ici au Palais Polyvalent des Sports de Yaoundé, que l'équipe ougandaise a un problème, non seulement au niveau des services, mais aussi la réception. Il va falloir travailler dessus.
All right.
Parce qu'il n'arrivait pas à comprendre que face au Rwanda, il y avait des erreurs techniques.
Beautiful retort there from the libero of Uganda.
Oui.
And they got the points there to make it 16 as against 21.
Et c'est un très bon point.
All right. Beautiful play there as they regroup for the serve. We are into the second set. Egypt is in the pole position with 21 points as against 16 for Uganda. Of
oui,
course.
On l'a dit, au même endroit,
That is it.
il n'y a toujours pas de joueuse côté ougandais.
They know that is the undoing of the Ugandan team. The center sector is always very empty, and they will go to the end there and spike from there. That will give them the necessary points to go ahead.
Et le match qui peut passer facilement. Attention, le service. L'équipe égyptienne.
Very intelligent team.
Et le blocage.
That gives them the points.
Oui.
Very intelligent, very organized. They anticipate the game, I keep saying, my dear Amambassa.
Et plus que 2 points, ce sera un deuxième set remporté par l'Égypte.
Right.
Mais pour l'instant, c'est un temps mort.
Time out called by coach Emad Nawa of Egypt to cool down the temperature.
So come, that one, you block her alone. You're there and then you're flying out. Here, look at the ball. Make a step and jump and get her. You're just flying out. That is one block. They're not jumping high. That ball is just passing like this over the net. This one has got many times.
As we can see, our good friend Jennifer Alunga, middle blocker, receiving medical attention there from the medical team of the Egyptians. It's about fair play, Amambassa.
Ouais. Vous savez, c'est un bon point pour le retour.
That is it.
Après le temps mort
And that's what Lakoni Peter Tony tells them. Hits the ball at the right time and above the net.
Nous ne sommes pas là pour s'amuser.
All right. They have to complicate the game for Egypt. They shouldn't make it look easy for them.
Longat au service, le blocage et un autre point.
All right.
Elle commence à faire douter cette équipe égyptienne parce que progressivement, elle se rapproche du 20e point. C'est possible.
The Ugandans have to be aggressive. They have to engage the game at all time. And a very lousy serve there. That gives Egypt the 24th point. And of course, Metwaldi Mohamed Mariam steps out. As the Ugandan bench can look on. Captain Amin Ahmed Sarah.
Amin Ahmed Sarah au service. Et là, c'est un service bien flottant. Le blocage, on essaye de se défendre. Et le 25e point pour les Égyptiennes qui emportent donc, qui empochent ce deuxième set. 25-18. On repart du côté de Mbaladu.
End of second set. Again, won by Egypt 25-18. From deuxième set, première perte finale. Égypte remporte encore le deuxième set, 25-18.
Thank you, my dear Esther. Thank you, my dear Sylvanus, Mr. Jake. We're
Esther
glad
Ayimbo.
Esther.
Esther.
All right.
Esther Ovono.
All right. That's my J girl.
Voilà.
Thank you. We're back here, and the referee from the Federal Republic of Nigeria, she's on and looking forward to give us the third set. As Aya looks on from the Egyptian background, and of course the Ugandans as well. Even the bench is very relaxed. You can see how confident and relaxed the Egyptian girls look. They're not worried about the game. They know that whether you're on the
Et si les
sidelines.
Ougandaises nous donnent des sueurs froides tout à l'heure lors de ce troisième set, remportant, attention.
I'll be very excited.
Ouais, bien sûr.
Because I would love to see Uganda go for a foot set and push.
Elles peuvent surprendre. Donc,
this-
c'est pas automatiquement un troisième set qui se profile à l'horizon, même si les techniciens qui regardent, et même du côté de Mbaladou, nous disent effectivement que quand on regarde l'Égypte et l'Ouganda, mais vous savez, le volleyball, il y a toujours des surprises. Mais pour l'instant et techniquement, ça c'est clair, l'Égypte est au-dessus, un cran au-dessus.
Of course, I go with the words of Mr. Folefak, who is out there in Balatu. He says you have to be regular in the international scene.
Oui.
I mean, to shake the Egyptian foundation, you know.
Et c'est donc parti pour le troisième et probablement, je dis bien probablement, le dernier set.
All right. That it has begun already with the first point with that serve from Emam Nada. That has already given Egypt a point.
Ouais.
But we hope it will be the delight of many of our viewers to see Uganda come back into this third set. You
Et
see,
le deuxième.
losing, and the libero, the ball coming towards her. The lady Namiyalo Margaret losing that ball in front of her. You could see how relaxed the Egyptian bench is as Lady Emam Dana
Et c'est
takes the serve.
pratiquement au même endroit tout le temps.
Right. All right. You see, this is one rare occasion that you see the Egyptian side, they will miss a rebound.
Le premier point ougandais
All right.
dans ce troisième set.
As Lady Amin Ahmed Sarah, the captain, looks on. There they go, the libero. The red chairs are into the air. And in that spike, the lost hit. It went out of the Teraflex.
À chaque set, faites la remarque, il y a mano à mano.
That is it. You can see, and that's how it has always been in the beginning.
Ouais.
But by the time we're going into the heart of the game, the Egyptians will prove that they know what top competition is all about.
Le premier set, l'Égypte a pris les devants. Et comme on dit généralement en football, la remontada ougandaise.
But before we realize, the Ugandans, they slopped again.
Oui. Mais bon,
There we go, the libero. She goes into the air to do a lob there. It goes out of target. As Uganda will equalize there. 3-3.
au service,
With Lady Akelo
Akelo Scholastica.
middle blocker.
L'Égypte qui repasse devant. Et le service, cette fois-ci, d'Ahmed Aya.
Right. As Lady El Gubashi looking forward to engage the game. Lady Aya waiting to hear from the referee.
Alors pour l'instant, le jeu est momentanément arrêté.
All right.
Le temps pour...
They're sorting out the points with coach Lakoni Pilatoni.
Est-ce une réserve? Est-ce un problème de dossard?
All right. As the second referee discusses issues there with coach Lakoni Pilatoni from Uganda. While Madam Miriam Nakamanya, the assistant coach for Uganda, comes up to give a lot more information.
De toutes les façons, le problème sera réglé tout à l'heure par Tony Peter, puisqu'il est concerné effectivement.
Of course.
Vous savez, l'équipe égyptienne est bien en place. Et souvenez-vous, on parlait de cette édition de 1976, remportée par l'Égypte devant la Tunisie au tie-break.
Ouais.
C'était la toute première édition des championnats d'Afrique de volleyball dames. L'Égypte qui est remontée sur le podium en 1989 à Port-Louis face à l'île Maurice. 3-7 à 0, c'était le score. Et puis en 2003, en Nairobi au Kenya, l'Égypte battait le pays organisateur 3-7 à 1.
All right. As we have a replay there. That went out in favor.
Et vous vous rappelez effectivement, mon cher Walter, que le Kenya a successivement aligné des titres.
They have won the
2011, 2013, 2015, avant la relève.
From Cameroon, Tunisia, and Egypt. Kenya, they have won it 9 times. And they are here. They were in the pole position in Pool B.
Le Cameroun et l'Égypte ont déjà remporté 3 fois.
All right. And Tunisia as well.
Voilà.
Remember, Tunisia was expected here in Yaoundé, but they backed out in the last minute alongside the Democratic Republic of Congo. And of course, Senegal. As the technical officials continue to sort out issues there in this third set pitting Uganda.
L'Algérie en 2009 est montée sur le toit de l'Afrique en battant la Tunisie aussi au tie-break. Même si cette équipe algérienne a encore perdu en finale en 2015 devant le Kenya. Mais la particularité du Cameroun, c'est que ces 3 trophées, c'est face à un même adversaire, le Kenya. Alors,
that is it.
et on se pose bien des questions. Est-ce que on peut encore s'attendre à cette affiche remake de 2017 ici au Palais Polyvalent des Sports de Yaoundé, puisque nous sommes au Cameroun?
That is it. And if you look at the pairings as we build up from these quarterfinals, maybe if Cameroon picks up a win tonight from Morocco and Kenya pick up a win against Nigeria, so Cameroon, Kenya may just be back again onto the Terraflex in the semi-finals.
Et vous le savez, le Kenya et le Nigeria se sont déjà affrontés en finale. C'était en 2005 à Abuja, puisque c'est le Nigeria qui abritait cette édition. Mais aussi en 2001 à Port-Harcourt. Et cette année-là, ce sont les Seychelles qui ont remporté ce championnat d'Afrique de volleyball dames devant le Nigeria, 3-7 à 0.
All right. Finally, the issues have been resolved with the technical bench there. Between Uganda and the technical bench. And the 2 referees can come back to themselves. And the game can continue. As the girls look on to continue with what they know how to do best.
L'Algérie qui va disputer sa finale face au Rwanda. Une équipe algérienne qui a aussi plusieurs fois disputé des finales, mais à chaque fois a échoué. Souvenez-vous en 2007, devant le Kenya, c'était à Nairobi, 3-7 à 0. devant le même adversaire en 2011, 3-7 à 1. Et en 2015, 3-7 à 0. Comprenez que cette équipe algérienne est à prendre très très au sérieux. Et la partie qui va devoir repartir ici au Palais Polyvalent des Sports de Yaoundé.
All right, the serve comes from the Egyptian side to the Ugandans. Finally, the issues have been resolved and play can continue. And of course, a beautiful one there, a beautiful smash. That gives Uganda their second point. In this third set, with Lady Tushemere Rue June takes a serve. That is it.
Elle n'avait pas de chance. La joueuse ougandaise Alongata
Scovia. She failed to receive the ball in her capacity as a receiver.
Ouais.
There we go. They go into the air, but not for too long. As the red chest take control, beautiful block there. But it goes out in favor of the Egyptians. No pressure on the bench. They are ready to come in at any time.
Le blocage qui finalement donne le point à l'Égypte. Temps mort.
Requested by Coach Peter Tony.
No problem. No problem. Let's fight. I want to see us fighting. I want to see anticipation. That's very good blocking. You're joining her very well. So now, if they touch, you defenders behind must make sure you keep that ball up. Keep it alive and let's go. When you're passing that ball a bit higher, make sure it's there and you to the corners a bit. Yeah?
Lady!
Eh oui,
Yeah.
secret de guerre.
Ladies, friends. The ladies have to be friends.
Ouais.
You could hear the three things from Coach Lakoni, Peter Tony. Let's keep it alive. Let's fight.
Il a réorganisé la défense.
And that is it. Still not clicking as expected. And Aman Ambassa, you'll see the Egyptians look at their strategy. They come at the end of the net to hit and smash and spike from there.
Vous savez, en mettant la balle à ce niveau, elle a constaté qu'il y avait effectivement ce vide.
All right.
Remplacement. Emam Dana qui cède donc sa place.
That's Madame El Gobashi Doa.
Voilà.
With jersey number 18, rather with jersey number, that's 18, okay. Emam Dana.
Emam Dana.
All right.
Réception, la passe.
You could see the inexperience of the Ugandans, Aman
J'ai
Ambassa.
l'impression qu'elle plonge désormais dans le découragement, les joueuses ougandaises.
That is it.
Elles savent que c'est presque plié ou alors c'est en train d'être plié. Elles ne fournissent plus assez d'efforts. Elles ne sont plus combatives.
That is it.
Mais là, elles marquent au moins un point.
That is the fighting spirit Coach Lakoni Peter Tony is talking about, which her girls are not bringing to the party.
C'est important. Même si vous avez déjà en tête que le match est plié ou alors est en train d'être plié, mais allez jusqu'au bout, on ne sait jamais.
That is it. And to avoid a walloping there from the Egyptians, you know.
Parce que là, que ce soit au premier ou au deuxième set, on n'a pas eu cet écart, mon cher Walter.
That is it now.
10-2.
8 points difference is
11
quite,
déjà.
because that's why Coach Lakoni Peter Tony is saying that they should avoid a ridicule, they should engage the game, they should put the fighting spirit. And he used the word anticipate the game, and that is the word we have been using here. The Ugandan girls have failed to anticipate the game.
Le service.
You could see
Côté
from
égyptien par Ahmed Nada. Chaud.
Of course, she touched it, and that gives an extra point to Uganda, 11, 12, and now this is a 10-point gap.
Il y a notre remplacement.
Or, I want Ambassa, maybe Egypt is already rehearsing for the semi-finals.
Et vous faites bien de rappeler cette demi-finale, mon cher Walter,
Right.
puisque le vainqueur de cette confrontation.
You could see the fighting spirit of the Egyptians. They're not giving up. Good. Ugandans come back into the game. She goes into the air and gets a point there.
Elle mérite les encouragements.
There we go. They serve there. And of course, ball goes out of the Terraflex. 13 points there. As against 3 for Uganda. A gap there of 10 points already à Mombasa.
Tout à fait. Le service côté égyptien. Mais mon cher Walter, il est important quand même de repréciser à nos téléspectateurs tout à l'heure le temps mort assez long de tout à l'heure, parce qu'il y a du côté ougandais une joueuse dont le nom ne figurait pas sur la feuille de match. Et c'est pour cela que vous avez vu l'arbitre interpeller Tony Peter. Et vous le savez, le règlement prévoit que dans ce cas, vous perdez des points.
That is it. You must make sure that your players are enlisted officially on the list that the referees do have to avoid any embarrassment. And of course, once more timeout from Coach Lakuni. Peter Tony not very happy with the way proceedings are unfolding here.
Et désormais donc, en attendant d'abord le temps mort, on y reviendra d'ailleurs.
All right.
But Rich also, you're just doing this. She hit the no blow. Rich up and strong. There are two attackers, the second and first one. So you have to make sure you just help with this one.
Ladies, great!
The ladies have to be friends on and off the Terraflex. As the bench looks on, Aya is there ready for the battle.
Alors, je disais tantôt que Tony Peter doit pouvoir se rassurer que les noms figurent effectivement sur la feuille de match au risque d'être pénalisés.
Of course, you have to respect the rules of the Confederation of Volleyball in the African continent, as well as the International Federation of Basketball. It means that if you, the name of the players, it means that you can just pull anybody from the streets to come and play. Beautiful smash there. That gives the ladies one more point. Beautiful play there.
Number 17 out, number 13 in. Substitution by Uganda.
Substitution from Uganda.
Number 12 in.
Number 5, Lady Maureen Mwamula out and Akilo Scholastica in.
L'arbitre est beaucoup plus regardant,
of course,
sur les remplacements effectués par l'Ouganda.
He has to be sure of the records that they have.
Au service pour l'Égypte, Imam Dana.
All right. Taking the liberal retards. They come into the air. But that spike went out of target to give Egypt another point.
Elles sont à 7 points. 7 points seulement et elles remportent ce match
All right.
et file en demi-finale en attendant de connaître le vainqueur du match Algérie-Rwanda.
All right.
Prochain adversaire pour les demi-finales.
Rwanda may want to bounce back. They hosted in 2001, made a lot of progress, but they were pushed out in the course of it as Cameroon brought the crown back home. They served there, beautiful. And of course, an extra point for Uganda.
Ça fait du bien quand même de partir de 2, 3, 4, 5 points et désormais le 6e.
All right.
Le service qui sera assuré par Alongat Scovia. Et un autre point pour l'Ouganda. Et toujours au service. Alongat. Bonne réception. La défense, attention. On est obligé de mettre dans le camp égyptien la passe et le smash. Pour le point, le 19e pour les Égyptiennes.
They are negotiating their way to the semi-finals already. 2 sets taken to the banks of the River Nile. You can see they smash there, beating the libero for Uganda. Until she will put her buttocks on the floor.
La réception ougandaise. La petite louche. Oh non. Elles ne se parlaient pas, elles n'ont pas communiqué à ce niveau. Et ça profite plutôt aux Égyptiennes qui marquent leur 20e point. Il y a 5 points du set. Bien joué. On revoit encore sur ce ralenti le smash. Akelo Skolatika
Right. The lady,
au service.
the lady who had the injury, thank God she's back. The ladies who are friends, I like that they walk right. But the Egyptian experience is just overwhelming the ladies. Beautiful retort there.
La
They come-
passe.
But the rampant Egyptians are just all over the place. And you could see she went into the air, my dear Aman Ambassa, and knew that that space was empty.
Chaque fois, elle
That
se
is
faisait
it.
vite, comme vous le
Look at,
dites si
see
bien.
how she anticipates. Look at the way they even put their fingers and their palms on the air is very different. I mean, just like in football, we say l'intérieur et l'extérieur du pied. It's the same thing the Egyptian girls are doing with their palms.
Elle a
The
lobé
in-
par la main.
That is it, the in and out of their palms. I mean, it tells you the quality of the game in the northern part of the continent.
C'est une technique bien maîtrisée par une voleuse bien connue, Edith Virginie Mbok, que vous allez retrouver aux commentaires tout à l'heure pour le match Cameroun-Maroc.
All right. That'll be at 6 p.m. But before that, we got the big duel of Kenya against Nigeria.
Chaud d'explication effectivement entre le Kenya avec une certaine Chepchumba.
All right. Everybody seems to be talking about her, including the editor-in-chief, Mr. Boris Sama. He's very excited about Lady Chumba.
Vous savez, Chepchumba, elle seule.
But the lady,
Attention,
be careful with that lob there. Successfully. Oh my God. Oh my God. What a poor management of the game.
Elles ne sont pas encore matures. Les Ougandaises, on l'a dit, c'est leur deuxième participation en phase finale des championnats d'Afrique de volleyball dames.
Look at the distance she wants to lob.
Elles sont venues pour
the
apprendre.
net is so far from her.
Est-ce le point du 7? Non.
Right.
Elles sont en joie d'atteindre le 10e point.
But
Elles sont parties de loin. Il faut le reconnaître.
Of course, one thing I wouldn't fault the Ugandans is, it comes from the discourse of what Coach Lakoni Peter Tony has been telling us that, since 2019, with the COVID-19, they have been slow. They have not been into any international competition. Even the local competition have not been very organized. So they are coming back. So this team, they may be crashing out with 24 against 11 already, but I see Uganda coming back into the continent.
Mon cher Walter, continuons de jubiler avec l'Ouganda qui traîne encore pour l'instant la victoire. Et c'est chose faite de l'Égypte. C'est terminé 25-11. Troisième set remporté donc par l'Égypte qui file en demi-finale. On rappelle les scores. 25-13 au premier set, 25-18 au deuxième set et 25-11 au troisième set. 3-7-0.
That is it. So Esther Ovono, Ayimbo and Jet Mr. Sebanus. Egypt is already into the semi-finals of the ongoing Women's African Cup of Nations of Volleyball. They have beaten Uganda. So over to you and your consultant out there, Mr. Folefak.